Alright, thank you so much everyone for dropping by into this video of mine. So I made a previous video about an Amlife mattress which I unboxed. So I thought to follow up with this explainer video in terms of how the mattress actually works and why there's this benefit that people who use this mattress actually claim these positive benefits after using it. So this is an explainer video for that.
This microscopic view of a cell reveals the true nature of deep sleep. It is not a state of inactivity, but an aggressive biological process. Every night, the body is busy dividing cells, repairing tissues, and expelling neurotoxic waste from the central nervous system. But modern lifestyle factors, from chronic psychological stress to the blue light emitted by our screens, constantly interrupt this cycle. This leads to a systemic sleep deficit that prevents these restorative mechanisms from ever reaching peak activity. When that nightly clearance of waste is skipped, the damage becomes cumulative. Clinical data now identifies the resulting buildup of neurotoxins as a direct precursor to cognitive decline, Alzheimer's disease, and long-term metabolic failure. This creates a cycle where systemic stress prevents deep sleep, and that lack of recovery makes the body even more susceptible to future stress. Over time, this lowers basal body temperature and triggers chronic inflammation. Breaking this cycle requires a multimodal approach. The Amlife DeepZleep Amsonic system uses 3 distinct biophysical therapies to interrupt these pathological patterns and force the body into a state of recovery. To survive the modern environment, passive rest is no longer sufficient. We have to actively engineer a state of regenerative sleep. The healing process begins with the nervous system. For the body to repair itself, it must first shift out of the sympathetic fight or flight state. The Amsonic Frequency Therapy triggers this shift through bioresonance. By emitting highly calibrated sound waves, the system encourages stressed cells to return to their natural, healthy vibrations. Stressed brain activity, shown as jagged beta waves, syncs with the slow, rhythmic frequencies of the delta wave state. The brain stops producing stress hormones like cortisol. With these signals removed, blood vessel walls relax, allowing unrestricted circulation. By calming the central nervous system first, the acoustic therapy prepares the body to accept the physical interventions that follow. Once the nervous system is settled, the second phase activates. An advanced carbon fiber matrix begins emitting far infrared thermal energy. Most thermal devices only heat the skin's surface, but far infrared waves push past this barrier, reaching deep subcutaneous tissues. This deep heating causes massive vasodilation. Blood vessels widen, accelerating red blood cells to deliver oxygen and nutrients for tissue repair. This also maintains the body's core temperature within the optimal homeostatic range. By keeping the basal metabolic rate active during sleep, the system supports immune function and increases passive caloric expenditure by 15%. With the vessels widened and the metabolic rate optimized, the circulatory system is ready for the final stage of cellular repair. The third pillar is electric potential therapy. The system generates a negative 1,000-volt static electric field around the body, without ever passing an active electrical current through the skin. Every cell relies on a resting membrane potential. Chronic stress degrades this charge, stopping nutrient absorption. The system's negative electric field floods deep tissues with negative ions, stabilizing the cell's membrane. Fully restored, the cell efficiently pumps out toxic waste while absorbing fresh nutrients. By relaxing the nerves, opening the vessels, and charging the cells simultaneously, the system allows the body to execute physiological regeneration at its highest possible efficiency. This therapy has roots in 90 years of clinical application. These early Japanese medical devices were the first to demonstrate how regulated electric fields could alleviate symptoms of chronic pain and insomnia. Modern trials have further validated these results. Patients using daily electrostatic therapy report a significant drop in their insomnia severity index and a measurable increase in daytime alertness. Because this technology directly affects biological processes, it is subject to strict regulatory oversight. In addition to Japanese recognition, it has secured medical device registrations that certify its safety and its clinical claims. However, because of the power of these fields, the medical contraindications are non-negotiable. The device cannot be used by anyone with a pacemaker, those with active malignant tumors, or pregnant women. The electric field can cause electromagnetic interference with implanted devices, and the intense increase in blood flow poses a risk of feeding nutrients directly to tumor sites. These clinical warnings reflect the depth of the biophysical intervention. They signal that the bed has evolved from a site of passive rest into a tool for active clinical recovery.